y'all, I'm Quisha Elise and welcome to or back to my channel. I'm here with a quick beginner natural eyebrow tutorial. I want to thank y'all for tuning in and don't forget to subscribe and like below. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Now today's video is just brows, but I'll leave the link if you want to see how I brought this look together. Alright, let's get right to business. My eyebrows are kind of bushy right now, but we're going to get that together real quick. I start with a spoolie brush and brushing my brows upwards. And just follow the shape of my natural brows. And then I'll use a medium brown pencil to outline. I like to make sure the pencil is sharpened first so that way the lines aren't too thick and makes it easier to outline them. Now once I get them completely outlined, I just go in with small strokes to continue to fill them in. Once it's fully outlined, I just use a small brow brush to continue shaping them. And then going back in with that same brow pencil to fill them in a little bit more. And then once that's done, I go back to that spoolie that I had and then just brush it all together and filling in any gaps. Now I know I was out of focus a little bit, but y'all can see how much better this side looks than the side that's not done. The left side has that brown tint to it and a more defined shape, but it's not too thick to where it looks crazy. Now I know everybody does their brows differently, but this is just how I do mine and how I prefer it. There's no right or wrong way when it comes to beauty, but this is just how I do it, and let me know what y'all think below. Now I do one more thing to give it a more natural look. I do add some concealer on the end of a flat angle brush. I hate that it's not focusing, but as y'all can see, I just take a little bit of that and just go around the shape of my eyebrows, starting with the smaller line and getting more thicker as I go to the edges of the brows. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the warm honey color. And then again, you just follow the shape of your natural brow. That's going to give you the best natural looking eyebrows. And then you just want to blend that all in. Some people use a beauty blender, but I just use my finger. That just helps me not to smear it too much and get it messed up. And then to finish it all up, I go back in with the original spoolie that I was using and just kind of brush and blend with my finger and the spoolie all together. And then I just continue the same steps on the other side and just making sure to follow the same steps so they both come out looking good together. And that is pretty much it, y'all. I want to thank y'all for watching my video. Again, my name is Quisha Elise and I thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more of my videos and let me know what y'all think in the comments.